Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp this video not available because something is wrong with video file. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you tap on WhatsApp app and tap on this icon. Scroll down, you tap on storage. You can see that clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear cache and go back. You can see that open, install and force stop. Tap on force stop. Okay, go back to your home and you can see that Play Store. Tap on Play Store app and search here WhatsApp. Tap on this app. Your WhatsApp app is already updated. Okay, go back to your home and tap on WhatsApp. You select any contact and you can see that camera icon. Tap on this camera icon. Record here any video. And send it. Now you can see here, hopefully solve it. If we found this video very helpful, please subscribe to my channel.